Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am so excited because I get to chat about something spring related and I am so ready for spring. It is currently snowing outside. It is so cold. I was actually at my sister's house earlier. I parked my car and it slid all the way down the driveway while I was inside, pretty much into the middle of the road. So if that gives you any indication of what kind of weather we're having, it's not fun weather. So today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. I'm really excited to share an unboxing of their so large this time of their spring box, and it just looks really fun and colorful and I can't wait to see what's inside. If you guys are new to these videos, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box, so you get it every 3 months. It comes out 4 times a year and they include full-size products. I love Fabfitfun. It's probably the subscription box that I look forward to the most because you don't just get beauty products, you get like a mix. So you can get beauty and skincare, but sometimes you get fashion or wellness or fitness products. Each box has a retail value of over $200 and the box is $49.99. If you're new to Fabfitfun, you can actually get $10 off your first box and get it for under $40. You can use the code Andrea. I'll put it in the description box for you as well in case you guys forget my name, but it's not an affiliate code, but it does give you a discount if that is something you're interested in. So Fabfitfun does let you customize your box now, like a few of the products. So I'll show you guys what I got in my box, but let me know in the comment section below which products you chose because I'm definitely curious about them and if you like them, if you recommend them. Okay, so the first thing in here is by the brand Sip by Swell. This is so cute. I really like the Swell water bottles because they keep your cold drinks very cold and your hot drinks very hot. I actually drink room temperature water a lot of the time, but when I want to keep a cold drink cold, like if it's summertime, this is my go-to option. And I have been drinking coffee a lot lately, so this might be ideal for keeping my coffee very warm. So if you haven't tried them yet, you are totally going to love this if you get it in your box. The next thing in here is something that I have been looking forward to because I did choose this for my box. It is by the brand Quay Australia. I have seen people talk about Quay for so long at this point, and I haven't tried their sunglasses before. So when I saw that these were an option, I decided to grab them and choose them for my box. So these are the Vivienne sunglasses, and I just thought these would be a great option because they're pretty oversized and I have a little bit of a larger head. So a lot of sunglasses are very small on me. So I thought these would be really nice to wear. I like that they're black. I see them all over Instagram. I've actually been wanting to purchase a pair of their sunglasses, and then I saw that these were an option for the spring box. So I thought this would be a good way to try out the brand, try out some of the sunglasses and see if I like them. The other product that I chose for my box is by the brand Show Me Your Mumu. Again, I remember seeing this brand all over Instagram. They make really, really beautiful clothes, and when I saw this was an option, I was really excited because it's not something that I typically purchase for myself. It's actually a really, really beautiful robe. So I have like a very warm, like fluffy fleece robe that I love using during the winter time, but I don't really have anything that's a little bit lighter that would be a good option for spring and summer. And this one is really lightweight. It has like a gorgeous floral design on it. So I just thought this would be really fun for spring and summer as I'm doing like my makeup or my hair and I'm just kind of getting ready and I'm not ready to like commit to wearing my outfit for the day. The other option was like a nice, I want to say like faux leather backpack. So I was thinking that I would get that one, but I couldn't decide between the two. So I went with this one. But if you guys get the backpack, let me know how you like it because maybe I'll have to just purchase it for myself because it was really cute. But I am so excited to try this on. Okay, the next thing in here is a hair product. This is the leave-in conditioner by the brand Ouai Hair Care. I have tried their wave spray and it worked really, really well. I do want to try out more products from this brand. I believe they're sold at Sephora. But you guys, my hair is so tangly. It has been taking me like a full 10 minutes to comb my hair out, which is just ridiculous, especially in the morning when I'm in a hurry. I need to get a good haircut because it's just getting a little bit long, the ends are dry. But if you guys have super, super tangly hair, what do you use? This is a multitasking leave-in mist that works well to smooth, soften, and detangle the hair. So perfect. I will definitely try this out tomorrow for sure. So maybe you'll see it in my February favorites. I will keep you guys posted either way on how this works for me. And if you've tried this brand, let me know if you have any recommendations in the comments below on like which products I should try. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand 11 by Venus. Oh, it's a jump rope. Okay, I'm not even lying to you guys when I say that I'm excited about this. We do use jump ropes at my gym on occasion, but every single time we use them, I am so bad at it. I trip every 2 seconds. I can't seem to like jump rope for more than like 20 seconds at a time without messing up. So I've been saying that I need to get one and actually like practice at home. This is also something that I would pack and bring with me when I travel. I always say that I'm going to use like the gym at hotels or if we're on vacation, and I don't ever do it because I hate the treadmill. I get bored so quickly, but jump roping is something that you can do while you're like watching TV or just kind of hanging out, and it's fun. I always love doing it. So I think it's kind of cool they included this as the fitness product. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Lavido. It is a body lotion. So let's see what this smells like. Oh wow, this is really strong. It definitely has a strong citrus scent to it. It smells like oranges. It says that it has mandarin, orange, and bergamot in it. It's really strongly scented, but it feels really nice. This is going to be a great option because it sinks into the skin so well, but it feels really moisturizing. I think I'm actually just going to stick this on my desk right now and not even wait for spring. The next thing in here comes in a giant tub. I thought it was a candle at first, but I don't think it is because based on the packaging, I don't think they'd stick a candle in like plastic packaging like this. Oh, it's a champagne charcoal scrub by the brand Manna Kadar. I have tried some products from them, but they're typically makeup products. So I didn't even know they made scrubs or skincare or body products. This one is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup and then leave your skin feeling polished, hydrated, and refreshed. Let's open it up. Okay, I just used a makeup brush to poke a hole in it because I don't have a knife with me. This smells really good. It smells different than I thought it was going to be. Oh, it's because it's a champagne charcoal scrub. It smells like champagne. It smells so good. I can't wait to use this. I really do try to use a body scrub fairly regularly because I mean, all year round, because in the winter, my skin is dry. In the summer, I'm wearing like shorts and short sleeves. So I love using body scrubs, and this one smells so good. I'm going to use this tomorrow and the leave-in conditioner, and I'm so excited. The last thing in here is by the brand Dr. Brandt. It is the Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye De-Puffing Gel. So after your eye moisturizer, you're supposed to take a little bit of this and apply it under your eyes where you struggle with obvious bags or dark circles. You can use it alone or under makeup. Dr. Brandt is not cruelty-free, so I'll just be passing this product along. But if you guys have tried it out, let us know what you think in the comments section below. So that is everything I got inside my box. I am excited about this box. I know I always say that, but I feel like the products inside this box are a little bit more luxurious, like a champagne body scrub. That is so much fun. I think I'm most excited about this product. And then I can't wait to try out the leave-in conditioner. Of course, I'm excited about the sunglasses and the robe because I chose those two for my box. So I can't wait to use both of them. And the rest of the products seem great as well. The jump rope is something that I'll definitely be using too. So I really liked the spring box. I feel like in the past, the winter and fall boxes were always my favorite, but last year they kind of switched it around for me, and the spring and summer boxes were so good that those kind of became my favorite. So again, if you guys want to try out Fabfitfun, you can get $10 off your first box with the code, which is just my name, Andrea. So I'll be sure to put that in the description box below for you guys as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes, and if you get a chance to try out the products, let me know how they work for you. But I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.